Welcome to Fyno. In this video, we will demonstrate how to utilize our request approval feature to add an extra layer of authentication and security when taking your features live. We will guide you through the entire process, from enabling the settings to making your first approval request and taking it live. Let's begin. Navigate to the Security section under Workspace Settings. Click on the toggle button for approval, select your approvers, and press the Save button to enable the setting. Once enabled, you will be able to send your test versions for approval before making them live. Now, let's see how to do this. For this demonstration, we will go to Notification Events. Select the item that you want to make live. Click on the Go Live button, and from the list of the approvers, select the ones you want to be notified when this request is created. Now, compose a meaningful message, and if you want your feature to go live as soon as it is approved, select the Go Live on Approval checkbox. For this demo, we will leave it unchecked. Great! A request has been created, and emails and in-app notifications have been sent to the selected approvers. While a request is active, no further changes can be made to this test version. To make changes, either cancel the request or reject it. Now, let's create another request. Approval requests can also be created from the listing page. Choose your approvers, compose a message, and click the Send for Approval button. Great! Another request has been sent for approval. To view all of your requests in one place, navigate to the Requests section. Here, you can see all the items in their respective states. Presently, 2 items are pending approval. These are the requests that we just created. As a requester, you only have the option to cancel your request, not reject or approve it. Now, let's log in to the approver's account and observe the process. As an approver, you have the ability to approve or reject a request from here or the Details page. The message provided by the requester can be viewed on the header, along with 2 action buttons for approval and rejection. Let's examine the rejection process for this request. Write a message and press the Reject button. The current request has now been rejected. You can make changes to this version and create a new approval request to make this version go live. Additionally, you can view the history of all the actions taken on an item in the changelogs here. Now, let's shift our focus to the other request and see what happens when a request is approved. Fun fact: you have the option to approve or reject requests in bulk directly from the listing page. For now, let's head on to the Details page and click the Approve button. Write a message and click the Approve button. Excellent! This test version is now approved and ready to go live. Before making it live, let's return to the Request section and examine the states of all our items. The item whose request was rejected is now back under the Test tab. There are 0 items pending approval, and 1 item is in the Approved tab. Now let's select this and take it live. The test version of this notification event has now gone live. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create an approval request, as well as reject or approve it. And finally, how to take your features live. The same approval process also applies to other features such as templates, routings, and workflows. And that's a wrap. Thank you for using Fyno.